Today I'm gonna review 5Below candy.
Okay, let's see. Do you know what we have in the bag?
No.
No, because I bought it. So Matthew has no idea what's in the bag. Okay, get one out. What's the first one that you got?
It's Rice Krispies bunny can.
Okay, let's see. Turn it around. It's Rice Krispies Strawberry Candy Bunny. It's a chocolate made with Rice Krispies. Okay, let's open it and try it.
It's not the best chocolate I've ever tasted.
Is it? Can you taste the Rice Krispies in it? No. What do you taste? What does it taste like?
White chocolate.
Doesn't even taste like strawberry either. So what do you give it from a 1 to 10?
4.
A 4? Okay. Now get something else out. Watermelon sour. Let's see if they are really sour. Sour watermelon. Oops. Sour watermelon peeps. Okay, Matthew, try the first one.
Your stuff today. Oh my gosh, the inside.
Oh, it's pink. Okay, try it. Is it sour? It's a little bit sour? Do you taste the watermelon? What do you give it from a 1 to 10?
The sourness is a 4.5, and the taste is a 5.1.
Okay, so I guess if you give it less than a 5, I guess it's really bad. A 5 is like okay. Milk chocolate covered marshmallow. The peeps, okay?
Oh, it's autocorrect.
Okay. So yellow from the inside?
It's 6.5 to taste, and the color looks very cool inside.
Yeah, the yellow. Do you like it? Does it taste like good chocolate or no?
It tastes like milk chocolate, sweet watermelon splash.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
Oh, it's jelly kind of texture.
Yeah? Try it. Let's see if it tastes like watermelon. See?
Soon as I bite, like, looking it, you can, but since you bite it,
Mm-hmm.
you'll taste it.
What does it taste like? Like watermelon? And it says in the middle, what does it have in the middle? It says liquid center. Is it good?
It tastes like inside of watermelon.
Oh. So what do you give this one?
A 9.5 of the taste.
Oh.
And the liquid is a 9.
Okay, so this is a good one then. That's really good.
There's the best candy.
Okay, what's next, Matthew?
Very spicy mango.
Spicy mango?
Yeah.
Let me see, what does it look like, the bag?
I don't know if I'm gonna
Spicy
like
mangoes.
it. I don't know if this is gonna be good.
I mean, I got it because I love spicy candy.
Oh gosh, you can already smell
I mean,
it.
probably it's not super spicy. Try it. It's candy. This is super spicy. Okay, Matthew, you're better now? Those were spicy? So what do you give this one? Spicy mango?
A 3.
A 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
The spiciness is way too spicy.
Okay. Okay, so a 3 for the spicy mango. Okay, what's next? Boba Tea Blast. Let's take them all out. Let's see. I'll look different flavors.
Oh.
So there's what colors?
There's yellow, pink, and green, and purple.
You're gonna try the purple? Okay, which one are you gonna try, Matthew? What flavor?
This one first.
Is it grape or vanilla?
Vanilla smells.
Okay.
It's jelly like the watermelon candy. It doesn't really have a taste.
So it's just like a unflavored gummy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. So what do you give it?
The taste is 2.
Mm-hmm. But it's cool, right? How the packaging?
Yeah.
Packaging is cool, but I
It
don't
very
know.
tasty.
And these two right here smell really bad.
So yeah.
So we don't want to try the yellow or green.
Yeah, because well, this one is milk tea, and this one is matcha.
Yeah, those two smell really bad, and Matthew does not want to try those. Are you gonna try the pink one? What flavor is the pink?
Strawberry.
Yeah, I think you should try
And
strawberry.
hopefully it has more flavor.
Mm-hmm.
And the other one, which that one might smell the best. Yep, that one smelled the best, even though it has no flavor.
Okay, try strawberry boba.
There's a little more of a taste.
But it's still not the best. So what do you give overall? What do you give this candy?
A 2.5.
Okay, so it's not the best. Okay.
The watermelon's still winning.
Okay.
I think
Let's
this one
open it and
might
try it.
also be too sour for me.
You don't like sour?
Not really.
Okay, open it. Let's see what is it.
Smells like nothing.
Okay, take one out.
It smells like nothing. It feels hard.
Yeah, they're freeze dried. Are they hard? Try to cut just a tiny piece. Sounds super crunchy. Let me try one.
They have no sourness, which is good, right?
Mmm,
Do they have sourness?
I like these.
Do they have sour? Because you're not.
They're sour, but not too much. But I like these. I have a crunch. Listen.
Oh, I know what these remind me of.
They're sour strips, but they're freeze dried. Yeah, these are good. I like it.
These a 5.2.
I give it a 7. They're good, but not the best. What's the last one?
Pepper flavor.
Peeps. Okay, open it.
I didn't like the sour.
Okay, these are Dr. Pepper. Let's try them.
Oh, right.
Let me help you. Okay.
What does this say taste like? I take the marshmallow.
You taste the Dr. Pepper? Let me try it.
The eyes. That's a hot chocolate.
Mm-hmm. It tastes like Dr. Pepper. These are good. I like these.
They're actually not that bad.
Yeah, I can taste the Dr. Pepper.
The watermelon candies.
Those are your favorite, right? Let me give you your candy back. Okay, so these are the best. Okay, say bye and subscribe.
Bye.